Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best silicone collapsible funnel set from over 17,690 customer reviews and brand KongNai. KongNai 4-pack silicone collapsible funnel. Are you still using the regular plastic or stainless funnel in the kitchen? Now, try the new collapsible funnel set. KongNai collapsible funnel made of food-grade silicone, heat-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. 2 small funnels plus 2 large funnels can meet your needs. Collapsible design can save your kitchen space. Kitchen tool accessories for your family. Save your kitchen space. The collapsible foldable feature makes it very small and easy to store in any place, like a drawer, wall, etc., so your kitchen will be more delicate. Smooth one-piece construction. Suitable for transferring liquids and fluids and dry ingredients, a great kitchen helper. 4-pack funnels meet all your need in life. Easy to use. Made of durable and food-grade silicone, heat-resistant, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.